Hello and welcome to a very important episode of Subham Speaks. I have started a new series on recruitment process of different IT companies. In the last video, we have discussed the recruitment details of TCS. The link of the video is given in the description box. In this video, we'll discuss the recruitment process of Wipro in the freshers level. We'll talk about the selection process, eligibility criteria, salary package, designation and all other information relating to recruitment in Wipro. So let's move on without any further delay. Wipro, one of the top IT companies in India as well as in the world, recruits through an online assessment. So every eligible candidate has to go through an online assessment for recruitment to Wipro. And let me tell you one thing, that these days most of the companies are organizing pan-India recruitment. So there is a fair chance for students from all the colleges, not only students from the premium institutes but even from the farthest corner can make it to the top IT companies by means of this online test. So it's a good advantage, it's a fair chance for all the candidates. Now let's see the next part. So now we'll talk about the selection process, how you can crack this online test actually. So basically there are 4 rounds. In the first round, what do we see? The aptitude test. The aptitude test is being followed by written communication test, and which is being followed by online programming test. The final round is the interview round. So if you qualify these 3 rounds, you make it to the final round, that is the interview round. And once you are in the interview round, you are just one step away from the job. So the aptitude test, it covers logical ability, quantitative ability, English ability. Time allotted for this is not more than 60 minutes. Written communication test, which checks out your linguistic competence, the way you organize your thoughts and sentences. 20 minutes to check out your linguistic skills, how you write mails and how you write essays. So these things can be checked in this round, which is being followed by the most important part and which is required for all software engineers, that is the programming round. So 2 coding programs will be given and you have to solve it within a stipulated time of 60 minutes. There are options. You can choose the programming languages among Java, C, C++ or Python. So you can choose any of these 4 programming languages as far as your convenience is concerned. Now, let us check out the eligibility criteria for Wipro. Who can apply for Wipro? Specialization, the same as TCS. No specialization as such. You can come down from any of the engineering streams, even from mechanical or civil. So there is a misconception that only CSE or IT students can make it to the IT firms. It's not like that. You can come down from any of the engineering streams. At least Wipro allows you this. Now the next one, the marks criteria or the score criteria. 60% or above in 10th and 12th standard, but mind it that it's not a calculation of best of 4 or best of 5, but all the subjects are being considered for the final score. Now moving on to the college level exam or graduation, 60% or CGPA equivalent to 60% or above as per the university guidelines. In most cases we find that the recruitment process is being conducted in the 7th sem. By the time you had already received the grade card of 6 semesters, so the example is given there. So summation of the 6 grade points or the 6 grade card summation and divided by 6 and then deduct 0.75 multiplied by 10 and you get the final score. And if it is more than 60%, then you are eligible for the Wipro online test. Mind it that there should not be any backlog. One backlog, active backlog, is being allowed for TCS but not for Wipro. Wipro does not allow any kind of arrear or backlog. But mind it that gap criteria is more than that of TCS. Here the maximum of 3 years education gap is allowed between 10th and graduation. It can be for medical reason or for any any other reason, but not more than 3 years. Now moving on to the next part, the designation. So what designation do you expect here? Project engineer. Commonly this is the post being offered to the fresher candidates with a salary package of 3.5 lakh per annum. Not very lucrative offer, but not that bad as well. 3.5 lakhs as a fresher candidate. You can start with this package and easily you can climb the corporate ladder if you work hard and if you generate your skill sets. So that's all for this video. Hope you have got important information, and if you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe this channel, and please press the bell button. Thank you all for watching this video. Stay safe and stay at home.